obviously he's had quite a time of it lately and everything, so it was a case of appealing to your better nature. This was an incident that happened. You were aware that obviously they had issues there previously with people turning up, and obviously that aggravated the situation. They're not happy either, but obviously they do fully appreciate that they shouldn't have behaved the way that they did. Would a community resolution be not something that you'd be interested in at all?
No, sorry.
Okay.
Sorry.
Okay. Well,
I've been around my house keys for a couple of weeks. I know it's not your fault. I was quite traumatised myself by the incident because I've never seen anything so shocking in my life, even as a security guard. In no way was I expecting that to happen. So
even though other people had complained that people had complained before that they were quite angry that you were going, you still went there and you didn't think that would happen to you?
No, I'd heard they'd threatened people, but obviously that's hearsay, so I couldn't say for sure that had occurred. But it's obviously apparent now that it's a continual barrage from them to other people.
Yeah.
And so.
But do you think as well that it was the constant barrage of you and other people turning up to their address?
Unfortunately, like I say, I can't speak for the other people because I wasn't there. But it's perfectly acceptable to be there because, like I say, it's a highway, and I'd rather see them get a caution.
Okay. It's not a highway. I have spoken to the solicitor. It's not a highway at all.
It is. The council have said it, and I can prove it in a court if they needed to, from Warwickshire website.
Okay, I mean that's absolutely fine. I do understand where you're coming from. I think the issue will be as well if it's proved that obviously that they've committed these offences. Obviously, we can look down the route of a caution. It was just to appeal to your better nature because I think you know yourself that they weren't happy with people being there and you still pursued it and turned up. So it was just appealing to your better nature. But if you're not interested in that, that's absolutely fine. I'll have a conversation and we'll see what we can do, and then we'll go into interview with what we've got, and I will let you know the outcome of whether obviously they'll be getting a caution or whether they're not getting a caution. Okay.
Yeah. Thank you.
So I'll ring you back shortly anyway. Okay.
Cheers. Thank you.
All right. Thank you. Bye.
And 5. Saved messages. Saved messages.
Hello, Miss Warwickshire Police here. It was just to let you know in regards to the public order and the assault that happened in Ustry. It was just to make you aware that the sergeant has been spoken to in relation to it, and this is NFA, which basically means no further action, unfortunately. I know that's not the best of news for you. Obviously, what was said in interview was that he wasn't being threatening and abusive with the golf club. He was playing golf at the time.
Lights! 1, 2, 3! I'll kill him.
And obviously he states that there was no assault that took place. Both parties obviously stated that they didn't assault you. Your dash cam footage, unfortunately, as you're aware, because you've seen it, it doesn't actually show the assault. So she denied it. She said she did put her hands in to obviously get the iPad, which is obviously something that you've spoken about as well.
At the moment, yeah.
Can I just say?
Get off my phone! Get off my phone! She's got my phone.
He's assaulted my wife! You're on my private
phone! He's
assaulted my wife! He's on stop! I'm gonna fucking kill you in a minute!
He's assaulting me.
Get me the fucking
Help me, please. She's stolen my keys. She's trying to steal my key. I'll give you your iPad back. She's assaulting me.
He's hurting your mum! He's asking
What? There's your iPad! There's your iPad!
Yes! And your life, you leave now!
So that's why the assault was negated, really. And with regards to the golf club again, he said he wasn't being threatening. He didn't threaten you with the golf club. Obviously, they did state that they've asked you to leave a number of times, which was obviously caught on the footage as well. And obviously, you're aware that they weren't happy with you being there in the first place. So obviously, Sergeant Merriman has made that decision to NFA the assault and the public order. Okay. That's it now. The crime will be filed. Obviously, they will be updated with regards to that as well. It has stated that you have some footage perhaps on the internet. I'm going to ask you to remove that if possible, because obviously it just aggravates the situation. Okay. But thank you very much anyway, and if you've got any questions, just give us a call back. Thank you.
To return the call.
Lisa coming. I think you'll know you've broken my husband's ankle and we will be taking legal action against you because you're on a public right of way that you have no right to be here. The point of law being that all aspects have to be taken into consideration before UCR is deemed vehicular. You obviously are completely immune to this, as we have already taken legal advice before this. Do you understand that? Obviously not. Do you think we'd take this line of approach without legally knowing what we were doing? We might appear like a load of arseholes because we've had a drink, as every other family has the right to do so in their own back garden. But we have taken extensive legal advice. My solicitor, Jonathan Peel, he took advice. He actually worked for the government on the Merck Act.